Isang magandang Miyerkules sa inyong lahat. February 23, 2022. Welcome po sa isa na namang edisyon ng The Stock Market Today. If this is your first time in this channel, ako po si Benji Chidoro, isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market in 2007, and I do this report every day, which I started August of last year. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. If you like this content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. By the way, I am not a financial advisor, so anything in this channel should not constitute a financial advice. Ang ating financial news ay tungkol sa CREIT at ang SM Prime Holdings at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, February 23, 2022, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, ito pong tignan natin ang ating financial headlines. Nag-debut po ang CREIT yesterday. CREIT climbs 11%, closes at 284 on market debut. And then we have Converge, 6 better technologies to make internet safe for children. Holcim ramps up waste management initiatives. And finally, our main news is on SMIC. SMIC pulls down PSEI after removal from FTSE. Okay? So yun po ang ating main news. So tingnan po muna natin si CREIT, ano? Kasi nag-climb po siya ng 11% yesterday, 284, pero 255 po yung kanyang IPO, no? Citicorp Energy REIT finishes 11.37% higher on its first day at the Philippine Stock Exchange, closing 2 pesos 84 centavos apiece from its IPO price of 255. The company shares opened at 9.02% higher to 278 per share. The issue climbed to as high as 294 during the first few minutes of trading, but eventually retracted and moved sideways about 278 area, Timson Securities Inc. trader Darren Bain Tipangan said in a Viber message on Tuesday. Market participants may have decided to buy shares of CREIT amid attractive dividend yields as well as the success of the previous CREITs in the local scene, he added. In a text message, Call Financial Group First Vice President April Lindsay Tan said the stock market performed well and most likely because of the good outlook of solar and firms and high yield. The company is projected to have a dividend yield of 7% this year based on projected earnings of 7.4 by 2023. So kung meron po kayong CREIT, congratulations po, no? At maganda po yung IPO po niya. Then we have SMIC pulls down PSEI after removal from the FTSE index. By the way, maraming salamat po sa nag-point out po niya, no? At i-acknowledge ko lang po, si Renato Martinez, sabi niya, SM was removed from the FTSE. Okay. Maraming po salamat at hindi ko po alam yon at thank you for pointing that out sa ating dear subscriber, Renato Martinez. Okay? So the benchmark Philippine Stock Exchange Index was off to a sluggish start after conglomerate SM Investment Corp. Sharp fall amid its removal from the closely followed global index on Monday. By the closing bell, the PSEI was down 0.63% or 64.54 points to 7372.25, while the broader all share index shed 0.18% or 7.03 points to 3916.66. SMIC, the holding firm of the C family and one of the country's largest companies, fell over 6.6% after it was deleted from the FTSE Global Asia Pacific Index. FTSE also increased the weighting of other companies including AC Energy, Converge ICT Solutions, both of which ended lower on Monday. Major indices in the region paired losses on reports that US President Joe Biden agreed to meet Russian President Vladimir Putin in what was characterized as the last-ditch effort to avert reported plans by Russia to invade Ukraine. PSE subsectors ended mixed, with holding firms falling 2.38% and property jumping 2.14%. Okay, so maraming pong salamat sa pag-point out po nito kay Renato Martinez at malaking bagay po ito sa atin at yun po ang malaking nangyari kay SMIC, kaya akala ko po market sentiment yung pala tinanggal sa index. Pero yung pagbagsak po ng SM, wag po kayo matakot dyan. Magandang kumpanya po ang SM. Pagbagsak po niyan, time to buy. Di po ba? Okay, so before we go to the PSE and the PSE index, aside from Renato Martinez, sabi ni Ricardo Atiliano, thank you sir, keep it up. Maraming pong salamat. Any insight nga pala for SEBPAC? I'm planning to buy more shares for them, though I believe eventually they will be bullish this year. So, tingnan po natin si Cebu Pacific. Kasi po yung news natin, one of the news is we may revert to alert level 1, ano? Kung mag-decide po ang ITF to do such. Okay, so let's now go to the PSE and the PSE index on how it performed today. Okay, so the PSEI ended at 7364.21, losing 76.7 points or 1.03%. So down uli siya, but in the previous days, merong green candlesticks pero red candlestick siya ngayon. However, meron siyang net foreign buying na 47.03. So basically, the index is moving sideways. Yung ating market summary naman, 93 companies declined, 86 advanced, while 67 remained unchanged. On the market activity, we will be taking a look at the top active stocks, no? The top 6. Now let's do BDO, Dito, URC, MDT, Bloom, at tignan po natin si SM. So let's now go to the first one, that's BDO. The top active stock, and kung titignan natin si BDO, it's just moving sideways, just mimicking the index. However, yung ating indicators are still under the candlestick and it is still bullish. Okay, so yung kanyang movement from a breakout here ay nagkakaroon siya ng what I see is a flag consolidation, no? A flag pullback. But still under the candlestick, yung ating support nandito po sa area to nasa 133.93, while the resistance, let's do the 1 week chart. So yung resistance naman ay aabot na siya dito, no? So pwede po nating ilagay sa area to nasa 137 or nearing 137, and after that it will be already at this point at 152. So it's nearing a 52-week high already. After BDO, let's do Dito. Okay, Dito, nagko-consolidate siya. So just like what we have said, after a breakout here, it started to consolidate, and we have a green and a red candlestick. So consolidation is just what we call this a pullback, no? Nagpo-pullback lang siya. Ganun po normally mag-act ang isang after a breakout. Pwedeng tumaas, pero right now is nagpapahinga lang po siya. Kumbaga, in layman's term, nagpapahinga muna yung stock before it may continue to move upwards. In the meantime, yung dati niyang resistance na ngayon ay support, nandito po sa 617. And it is at about the 100-day exponential moving average, while the resistance ay nandito po sa area to. Nasa 747. So when I talk of support and resistance, these are not exact points, but these are areas. Okay, URC naman, ay naku, nag-breakdown siya. And I don't know what's happening to URC. May news ba? May buyback siya, but no news. No? I'm not sure, no? Baka may natanggal, may kasama siya sa isang index at natanggal siya, baka gano'n, no? But I don't have that information right now. Right now, what I can say is probably market sentiment. It has been moving down in the past since November 2. Yan po, si URC. And again, tingnan natin yung 1-week chart niya para makita natin kung nasa support na po siya, si URC. Somewhere here po yung support. Yan po. Nasa 121, nasa 123 po yung pinaka-support. Nasa 121.50 po siya. So, more or less, yan po yung support area ni URC based on a 1-week chart. And it is bearish. Then after URC, Metrobank. Puro down ang stocks natin ngayon. But this is just a short red candlestick. Pero, ano pa rin siya, no? Bullish pa rin itong Metrobank. Bullish pa rin siya. And our support follows the EMA 50. So, if we'll be drawing a parallel channel, drawing po tayo from here to here. So, yung pinaka-support natin is at 56.87. It is very close at the EMA 50 of 56.94. So, yung pong pinaka-support natin, while the resistance is at 63.49 based on the parallel channel. After MBT, we have Bloomberry. Nag-rebound. Uy, nag-rebound siya, ha? Mukhang nag-open up na yung economy. There seemed to be a breakout here, but right now, again, mukhang meron siyang continuation because there is a bit above average volume here. No, it is the highest, and this is the highest since December 1. So yung surge niya now is 8.16. Let's see if there is news. Wala, change in shareholders 2 months ago. Not much news, ano? But this is a breakout of sorts since na hit niya yung, or it went through the resistance here, no? Ito po yung resistance level niya, nandito po eh. Yan po yung resistance, 717, nasa 1742. And the next resistance level, nandito na po, sa 793. No? And it is already overbought. Kasi yung RSI po niya is at 72.47. Pagka nag-hit po ang RSI ng 70 and above, the stock is said to be overbought. Meaning, anytime soon, we might see a reversal. Okay? After Bloomberry, tingnan naman natin si SM. Nag-recover kaya si SM? Okay, there seem to be a red candlestick here. So parang, ang tingin ko dito, nagko-consolidate lang po. But still, there is a gap. There is a gap down here that has to be filled. So, alam na po natin yung cause nito. Ito po yung pagkatanggal ni SM sa FTSC, no? FTSC index. No, so this is a global index. Na kasama siya, inalis po siya probably because hindi siya nag-meet sa minimum requirements ng index. No? So, nagre-recover pa lang si SM, and based on a 1-week chart, yun natin, pinaka-support po niya, support level po is 840 eh. Yan. Nasa 840 level, but it is already above that level, ano? And yung in general ay kung titingnan natin 1-day chart, bearish po siya at meron po siyang gap. No, yung pinaka-resistance po niya nandito po. But we are not very concerned at that first. Ang concern po natin ay itong support level at itong gap na ito, which in the future, sometime soon, should be filled. And I almost forgot. Meron pang isa, Cebu Pacific. Request po ito ni Ricardo Atilano. Ricardo Atilano requested Cebu Pac. So gawin po natin quickly. Cebu Pacific. Maganda ang kanyang prognosis ha. Meron siyang breakout dito noong February 17 at meron siyang continuation. Nagkaroon ng profit taking noong February 22 yesterday at nagkaroon ng bounce. So looks like it's consolidating right now. Ang maganda lang po dito or ang maganda po dito sa Cebu Pacific ay meron siyang volume here, here, and here, which is a good sign. Because when a surge or an uptrend in the stock price has volume, maganda po na most likely magkaroon po ng continuation yan. So nasa resistance level na po siya. So ang resistance po ay nandito po sa 49.79 or almost, this is the resistance level already. And the next resistance level after that ay nandito po sa area to. Dito po, sa 78 na po. Medyo malayo na po ang next resistance level niya, no? So, pupunta muna siya sa 57. Dito po. Meron 58 yung next resistance. And then, I see another resistance level here at 78.65. So, yan po ang Cebu Pacific. Balik po natin sa 1 day. And, kung meron po kayong stock na ito, mukhang magandang bumili because right now, yung economy is opening up and most likely or magkakaroon ng meeting ang IATF that may reduce the alert level to the lightest level, alert level 1. Okay? So yan po, si Cebu Pacific. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market February 23, 2022. Ito po si Benji Chadoro nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Hanggang sa muli, take care, God bless, and bye for now.